I'm sorry, I was trying to solve a particular question. This question when the system shuts down. So let's continue. I'll only say let P U plus W be equal to P, and then V plus W be equal to Q. Okay, because this is now being taken as just a term. Okay, so this is the case of a difference of two squares. This is a squared number and this is another squared number, and same thing applies to this also. So that's what I'm going to do, right? So therefore I can have U plus W squared minus V squared over V plus W both squared minus U squared. So I can plug in these things back into the expression. So if I do so, I can plug these things into the equation. So I'm going to have P squared minus V squared now over Q squared minus U squared now. Then I can apply my difference of two squares straightforward from here. So I'm going to have P minus V bracket P plus V over Q minus U bracket Q plus U. That's it. So you can now take those things back, those expressions back, substitute them into the expression. So we're going to have P is the same thing as U plus W. So U plus W, then minus V is there. See, that's what I have. Then what about P? Still P is U plus W, then plus V. This is what we have over. So Q is V plus W, V plus W, there is minus U there, if you check very well. Then again, I have Q is V plus W, then there is plus U there. See, that is it. So what are those expressions that can cancel out? Clearly, this is U plus W plus V, U plus W plus V. They are the same. Addition is a commutative operation. Okay, addition is a commutative expression, so that 3 plus 2 is the same thing as 2 plus 3, the same. Okay, so this is the same as this, so they can cancel out. Okay, but these are not the same. Okay, this is U is positive here, U is negative here, so they are not the same, even if you factorize or factor out negative. So we're going to have our answer as U plus W minus V over V plus W minus U. Okay, that's it for that. Okay, the last one, not the last one actually, not the last one, the next one, E. We have 2m minus U squared minus bracket m minus 2u squared, everything over 5m squared minus 5u squared. So what to do here is similar case of difference of two squares can be applied here. Okay, so this, I would say straightforwardly, let 2m minus u be the same thing as p, and be the same thing as p. Therefore we can now have if you like, you can put this one, but no need, because this and this are somewhat like, okay, let me just put it. This is minus 2u, right? So I can put it, and q is equal to m minus 2u. See that? So I can do that. Okay, that means that, and 5 can be factored out from here, so that means that I can have this. My final answer for this substitution will be p squared minus q squared, everything divided by, you see, I can factor out 5 from here, m squared minus u squared. See that? So this in turn becomes p minus q P plus Q. So 5 bracket, see this is the difference of two squares, m minus u, m plus u. This is not difficult. Okay, so I plug in these things back into this expression to give me this will produce. Let me come here, have more space. I'll put P is the same thing as 2m minus u, 2m minus u, okay? So I'll put it back. So P is 2m minus u, I'll put it. I'll do like this actually, put a bigger bracket, 2m minus u, then minus q. My q is what? Sorry, q is m minus 2u, m minus 2u. See that? Okay, close it. Then the other one, P is 2m minus u plus m minus 2u. See? That is it. So the next thing, the denominator. 5 bracket m minus u, m plus u. See? So what am I going to do next? Simplify what is inside the bracket. Okay, I can open up. You see, I didn't put a bracket here because it is just addition that is before the bracket. But I had to put it here because there is negative here. That is one thing you must be careful of. So we have to open this bracket very well to have like this, 2m minus u minus m plus 2u, like this. Then this one can easily be dealt with. 2m plus m is 3m, minus u minus 2u is minus 3u, like this. Okay, everything over the denominator is 5 bracket m minus u, m plus u. Okay, so what to do next? I can continue this here. Actually. Okay, let me just continue here. What am I going to do next for this? I'll say therefore, what do we have for 2m minus m is going to be what? This is going to be equal to 2m minus m is going to be m. Then minus u plus 2u is going to be minus plus u, right? Like this. That's what is going to be there. So here I have 3m minus 3u. Obviously 3 can factor out, so we'll do that in the next step. So 5 bracket m minus u bracket m plus u. So you see, can this factor out? 3 can factor out, right? 3 can factor out from this bracket. I can put it here. M plus u is here. Then here we have m minus u over, this is 5 bracket m minus u. This is m plus u, right? Okay, so what next? You see clearly that m minus u can go off with m minus u. M plus n can go off with m plus n. My final answer is going to be 3 over 5. See? I have simplified everything to 3 over 5. So the next one, quickly, without any waste of time, f. We have for f, a bracket b plus c plus bracket b plus c both squared over b squared minus c squared, okay, plus ab minus ac. So obviously what we should do here is to find out factors, okay, the factors that can fit in. See, b plus c and b plus c are factors. This is the HCF of these two expressions. So I can do a factorization here. See what I'm going to do, b plus c. I don't have to do any other thing but this. B plus c is a factor to both. Okay, then I'll do like this. See, I've taken b plus c outside the bracket to give me a is left here plus, then I have b plus c here. There's no difficulty with this because eventually this bracket, b plus c multiplies a to give you this. B plus c multiplies this to give you this because they are the same, right? This is not difficult. In the denominator, we can have an idea here, the difference of two squares here, right? So I can put it as b minus c bracket b plus c. This is something I can do here. What about this one? I can factor out a between these two. Factor out a to give me a bracket b minus c. See, this is just very simple. So next, this is b plus c, a plus b plus c. I will just open this bracket because this is just positive, so it's it's insignificant. It's just the same whether it is there or not there. Okay, so that means we have over. These are two terms. You see, there is addition here. So this is a term, this is another term. I can factor out something between them. What is common between them? What is the HCF between them? Is b minus c. So I can factor it out. B minus c. I have factored it out. If you take it out, b plus c is left. B plus c. Then what is left here? Plus a. See that? That is it. Okay. So if you notice very well, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, the same. This is the same. You can rearrange this to give it this. So they are the same. This can cancel out this. My final answer here is going to be b plus c over what? B minus c. This is it. Nothing more, nothing less. Thanks for this video. We're going to take another video and then take a classwork. Thank you.